Lexia time! Oh, almost forgot. It's Lexia time. I'm just playing, but it is Lexia time. So let's get started on seeing which of our friends did the best job this week getting their units on Lexia. So, first, we've got in the very lead with the most units and the most awesome time, our friend, I gotta kind of move this around a little bit so that everybody sees the screen. Move this over here. Brandon, sound celebration. Brandon spent 79 minutes on Lexia, and he got 30 units. That is double what we expect. We want everybody to have at least 15 units, and Brandon, you did such a good job. I am so proud of you. G-Day got 19 units. Nice work. Leo and Santiago also got a lot of units. I like to see this, friends. Really good work. And then I see Manuel. Good job, Manuel. Those 12 units. I see you. Misario, Julian, Natalie, Valeria. Good job, Kevin. I know that it's hard for you, Kevin, to get on the computer, so I really appreciate that you're doing your best. Navian, Justin, Camilo. Nice work. And Zaida has 1 unit. Now, if you have 0 units, all these friends right here, I've already texted your parents to make sure that you get on today and try to make up those units, because I don't want you to fall behind. We only have 3 weeks left of school, and I really want to make them count. I want to make sure that every Friday we are on Lunch Bunch and that each week you are working hard on Lexia. So that is my challenge to you, to make sure that you're on Lexia and really working hard. Now let's look through some friends who might be struggling a little bit, and you have to ask your parents for help. Saul, Justin, Navian, Julian, Santiago, Joel, Saul, Julian. If your name is on this list, that's telling me that you're struggling a little bit and you need to ask your parents for help. And that's okay, but make sure you do so. Now let's look at our certificates so we can celebrate some of these friends. Whew, Gide, Brandon, and Camilo, nice job. Oops, let me go back. I accidentally clicked the wrong thing. Look at all these certificates so we can celebrate you guys one at a time. Wow, G-Day passed level 10. Silent celebration for G-Day. Nice job. Brandon completed level 10. Silent celebration. Good work. And finally, Camilo completed level 12. Whoa, that is exciting. Isn't that exciting, Gumbo? He's sleeping all the time. He's a sleepy McSleeperson. Nice job, friends. Keep up the hard work. And remember, if you have 0 units, I've already texted your parents, and I want you to work really hard on Lexia from now on. So get on today and complete your units. And next week, I want to make sure that nobody has 0 units. Have a good weekend.